bang, 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 bang.
Come on, let's go really up. Down chillin' with the homies that'll really go. Got a bad chicken in me, what the f going up? Better bring her up, while you looking like a stab. Put you in a car fight, like, better get the f up. But another round, cause you getting f***ed up. I'ma put you in the dirt, cause I ain't gonna find you a bad motherfucker. Come on, let's go really up. Come on, let's go really up. I'ma put you in the dirt.
Hey, welcome to another Big Yak Fishing video. My name is Colin. For those of you new to the channel, thanks for sticking with the channel. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for all those new subscribers that we have. I finally got a video to put out for you. It hasn't been for lack of trying that I haven't gotten the video out in a while. It's actually been the fact that I haven't been catching much. Rockfish season was closed here in Maryland for about 2 weeks, and honestly, the last month or so, I've been trying to catch snakehead. I love the way they taste, as you saw in the catch and cook, and they're just a really fun fish to catch. And I actually been searching my home waters because I've seen them before, but it seems to me there's a different way to catch the snakehead depending on which locations you're in, ranging from the thick lily pads to open water, and then also the other location that I like to fish, you know, you're casting under brush, you're casting under trees and things like that. Just getting to learn how to catch these fish, tracking how the tides affect them, the temperatures, and then obviously the mating season, as you'll see in the first part of the video. And I hope you like today's video. Big Yakker, out. Over there, idiot. There it is, right there. Oh, pull it, you mother! Pulled it, had it. Finally had one. Again, dang it. Mother. Okay, I want you to listen. Off in the distance, you hear this loud popping sound. And there it is. And that's a snakehead attacking something, and it's off in the distance. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but I'm going to paddle to try to find them. I go for days. It's right there. Maybe a fry. Oh, still there, still there, still there. That was my fault. Right there. Right there. Right there.
There we go. Get on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Stay on, baby. Yeah. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. This is my biggest one ever. Oh, yeah. Yes. Dragon, baby. Got a freaking dragon. Finally. Finally got a dragon. Finally. Oh, shit. Had a dragon. Had a dragon. Don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off. That's about to come off. You go back to your fry. I'm not going to keep you. I'm not keeping you. I'm not keeping you. Come on, baby. Stay on. Oh, yes. Oh, a little messy. A little messy. I got what I came for. Got what I came for, baby. Oh my God. Got what I came for. Finally got the dragon, baby. 30 and a half. I'll take it. 30 and a half. 30 and a half. Is on a fry. The fry's right there, so we'll let it get back to its fry. But that's 30 and a half, baby. Let's see if we can get out of here. Get this. All right, 30 and a half, baby. 30 and a half. Ah, yes, yes. Any better than that? All right, big mama, go back to your fry over there. She's right there. All right, she's right there. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get back on that fry.
So if you look over in the distance, you'll see two snakeheads that are paired up. I try casting over there, but when they're in this condition, you're not really going to catch them unless you're really persistent. So I kind of let them go and then try to search some other areas. But when they're paired up like this or searching for mates, you're not really going to have much luck catching any fish.
Oh, that snake. Oh, I think I got a snake. I do. Oh my God. Another one. Oh my God, I got him. Yes, another one. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, persistence paid off. Persistence paid off, baby. Yeah, baby. Persistence paid off.
Yeah, what I'm talking about being persistent was this is the area near my house, and I've been seeing snakes around, but they've been really difficult to catch, and this is actually the first one I hooked up to in this area. So being persistent and studying the waters and coming back at different tides and understanding what's going on and even changing your bait. Got to give a shout out to KB Fishing, as I used a MEPS number 4 to catch this fish, and it swallowed it.
Oh my gosh, finally persistence paid off back here. Can't believe it. Can't believe it paid off. Near my home court. That's a 28. 28. All right, finally got one. Finally got one, guys. I knew they were back here. I'm jumping all over the place. Got them on MEPS. Got them on the MEPS, baby. All right, I'll let you go. I ain't too much trying to get the thing out, buddy. All right, finally got one in brand new territory. Got them all on my own snake, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna let them go and let them grow. This is number 28 incher. Nice catch though. I'm proud of that one.
Yeah, this is a perfect eating size, but like I said, haven't found many in my area, so I want to put them back and let them go out there and make some new snakes, and hopefully this area picks up with snakes and I can come back here and harvest. And
we're gonna let you go, buddy. Just happy to see you here. Happy to see you. Happy. Man, persistence finally paid off. I've been out here like a dog trying to catch these snakehead. It wasn't like the biggest, but it was in my area, so I know where they're at. And I come back and get them again. This is awesome. So awesome. First time ever getting them on the MEPS as well. Gotta give a shout out to Kyle. I think what's most rewarding about it is that I caught that in my area where I've been doing all the research. It's just been crazy trying to find them. I mean, I've seen them here, stuck with them. We're in the same area, but a little different patch because the other ones were all the way up the river, kind of mating and whatnot. So I know they weren't going to bite, so I had to come to a different location. Still in the same area, and finally got one. Oh, awesome. 28 incher. Oh, what's that? Perch. Perch. It's like a perch. Finally got a little perch on this thing. I was wondering when I was gonna get one of those. Not a bad little size. All right. Oh, that's not 8 inches, or it might be, but I'm not catching fat perch around here, so we're gonna put this one back. Oh, put this baby back. Come on. Little perch. Oh, looks like he's been eaten up a little bit by somebody. A snake chasing him? Interesting. Interesting. All right, so I hope you like this two-part video. And as you saw, finally got my personal best, over 30 inches, which that was awesome. I won't keep anything over 30 most likely. I usually around 26, 27, 28 are really a perfect eating size. And then as you saw in the second video, I didn't keep it, and that was mainly because it's in my home area and I haven't seen many lately. And I want to make sure that we can get some back there before I start harvesting them. But once I see more and catch them more often in my area, trust me, I'll be harvesting a lot more often and cooking up snake and hopefully saving some in the freezer for the winter. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you have any questions or comments, just leave those in the comments section down below. If you have any questions about the gear that I used or anything else. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Big Yacker, out.
City lights, vision, no, I'm in a trance. She's a guitar, so I drop my pants. Made it got, she got all of my songs, yo. Took it to the bed, yeah, let's go really hard. Yo, come on, let's go really hard. I'ma put you in the dirt, come on, let's go really hard. Yo, come on, let's go really hard. I'ma hit the jerk, come on, let's go really hard. Yo, come on, let's go really hard. I'ma put you in the dirt, come on, let's go really hard. Yo, come on, let's go really hard. I'ma hit the jerk, come on, let's go really hard.